Hi girls, welcome back. This week I don't have too much going on, but I thought it would be fun to make a vlog to show you guys what I'll be doing. For today, what I have planned is that I'll be cooking some food. Very simple, of course. I'm trying to get back into working out, so we'll be doing maybe some yoga or Pilates. And then we'll go from there. It's so gloomy. Check it out. Look at all this rain. Oh, so gloomy. I feel like if you ever get a chance to make documentations, it's fun to kind of look back on to see what you were doing this time of the year and see how life has changed and just to have fun. This is what I'm eating. It's always so good to have fresh eggs and sticky rice. Time to go check out my chickens. Hello, girls. You guys already heard me coming, huh? Hello. Hello. Let's give you guys some food to eat. So this is where I put all of their food in this bucket. And this is what I'll be feeding them. Here you go. Ah! Here you go. Here you go. And bucket over here for them. Can't forget to give them some snack as well. Good girls. So this is the space that I'll be using to do some yoga and Pilates. I like to start out with a little bit of some yoga moves just to get my body loosened up. And then I'm going to do some Pilates. I've been following this YouTuber. She has a 25 days challenge. And I like to just kind of follow along and get my workout in. If you haven't done Pilates before, I highly recommend it. It's really hard, but it's really good for your body. It works every part of your body. You're going to be amazed at how hard your body works. And it's a great way to build up some strength when you are at home. Thought about what should I film today, and I decided that I will be doing a chemical peel for you guys. This peel that I will be doing, it is a lactic peel for anyone who has dry skin, who has pigmentation, who has fine lines and wrinkles. This is a great peel for you. It is one of the least irritating chemical peels that you can have. It is hygroscopic. And what that means is that it pulls moisture back into your skin. It is an alpha hydroxy acid, so it will break down the dead skin cells that's on the skin. So this is my skin. I'm going to show you what we will be correcting. As you can see, I have some pigmentation and breakouts that are happening in this area right here, as well as underneath my chin. I think I'm going to get my monthly period soon. And then as well on this cheek, I wanted to correct here. So mainly my pigmentation is on here. So I will be using a lot of sunscreen these next couple of days just to really protect it, as we are removing some of the protective barrier that's on the skin. I don't recommend you guys doing a chemical peel at home. You have to really be very careful since this is an acid. I have a mirror here. I would usually pour this into a little container or like a little cup first, but I'm deciding to do it this way, and that way I get the most use out of the product. I'm going to do my forehead. Don't forget the brow area. We do get some breakouts as well as some pigmentations on here. Then I'm going to do the nose. So it is starting to sting a little, but it's still tolerable. It's very mild. It feels like little prickly plants that's kind of like sticking into your face. But it's not too bad. So I'm going to allow this to sit on my face for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to see how my skin is feeling. And if it still feels good, then I'm going to do another layer. Another thing is that I'm doing heatless curls. So these little things are holding my curls. I used to do this all the time. I miss how fluffy and nice the curls hold. It just stays all day. It is time to remove this chemical peel. I am going to neutralize it. So I'm going to spray my face and then remove the chemical peel. Ooh, okay, I'm a little nervous. Okay. Whew. Now I'm going to go wash my face. Alright, the face is clean. Now I'm going to apply moisturizer and sunscreen. After any chemical peel, you want to be very gentle with the skin, and you want to make sure it's always clean. One reason why I like a lactic chemical peel is because there's zero downtime, and if I want to apply makeup, I can still do so right after. Of course, I'm going to allow the skin to kind of like soak in the moisture as well as calm down a little bit first. But I can still go ahead and do all my normal routines for the week. My rule is that some sunscreen is better than no sunscreen. Alright, so this is the skin right after a chemical peel. What do you guys think? Hi you. Hi you. Come here, girl. Enjoy it. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, all done. All done. All done. I got nothing more. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Alright, my mom's preparing her garden. They're coming to say hi to my mom. Ma, go chưa?
Cho quá. Nóng nóng tàu zucchini. Cho bay luôn nó là alo sứ thì là rồng. Alo là bay luôn sứ thì là rồng. Thì coi cho ta tôi chỉ cái rụng này sau này nó có thể chỉ tàu.
Okay.
Oh, chưa có một cái nó là chưa nọ.
I don't know. So every chance I get, I try to do a lot of hand feeding. Hand feeding is really good for keeping your chickens very docile and friendly. If you get a chance, you should always do a lot of like hand work with your chickens or even just your pets too. That what makes them used to you and comfortable with you being around them. And it just helps to create a really good relationship between you and your animals. So as you can tell, these two right here really love their grandma because she digs up worms for them. Whereas these, the yellow one and the red one, they love to just kind of scratch at the ground at any of the bugs that are slowly coming up to the surface now that it's getting warmer. So I guess I haven't really talked to you guys about my chickens. I have 7 total. 2 of them are yellow 𝑰𝒏𝒔𝒂𝒈𝒓𝒂𝒎. And then another 2 of them are the reddish color ones, are 𝑰𝒏𝒂𝒊𝒍 Reds. And then I have 2 gold ones that are a mixed breed of New Hampshire Red, and this is a New Hampshire Red with a black tail right here.
Yellow dog and yellow.
And then the other one, she is more, she's called a Princess Calico because her feathers are shaped kind of like a calico jewelry necklace. So many worms for you guys, so many worms. So ideally, we try not to feed them worms, but they like it. They're gonna eat it. In worms, there are a parasite in worms that can cause chickens to be kind of sick. So even though we're not supposed to give them too much worms, they're gonna eat it anyways. So we just let them be chickens. So this is one of my beautiful 𝑰𝒏𝒔𝒊𝒍 Reds. The feathering are so beautiful. I love how there's different like reds and browns in this particular hen. Oh gosh. And she saw some worms too. Yeah, I didn't know that this one knew how to eat worms, but I guess she's learning fast. This is her first spring. This one is still young. She's like almost a year. And then this other one right here, I don't know what kind of chicken she is, but she's like a jungle fowl. So she's pretty timid and flighty. And this one is the other yellow 𝑰𝒏𝒔𝒂𝒈𝒓𝒂𝒎. Oh gosh, they're by grandma. Let's go collect some eggs. We know. Let's see your egg. Oh yes. So hers is like the darker color one. Yes, I know. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Let's go check over here. In the nest, we have 2 eggs as well. The white one is from the wild jungle fowl. And then that one, I can't tell if it's a darker color brown or a lighter pinkish brown. But if it's a darker one, then it's from the 𝑰𝒏𝒂𝒊𝒍. But if it's a lighter color, then it's from either the 𝑰𝒏𝒔𝒂𝒊𝒍s or the 2 of the 𝑗emmas, which are the golden color chickens. So this little girl just laid an egg and she wants to get out of my arms, so I'm gonna let her go. Let's grab these eggs. Ooh, that was a workout. Okay, 2 beautiful eggs. If you train your chickens to lay in a particular spot, they are less dirty when you collect your eggs. Girls, I am so embarrassed. So what I did was I accidentally poured motor oil into the coolant tube of my car, and so now my dad has to help me flush it out and refill it. So here we are, picking up the little container of coolant. We dumped it out, we flushed out the motor oil that went through here. So now we are going to install it. I feel so embarrassed, so embarrassed. So much for a week of not much happening. This is what happens. It's just my life. So lesson learned, do not put motor oil into your coolant. There we go.
Okay.
Yay.
Jadi mana tilu pelok.
Hey.
Tuh. Udah iya ke.
Alright, so we are done here. This little container is replaced after we drained it out and replaced it with the correct coolant.
If you cool it.
Thank you to my dad. He's the best. I don't know what I would do without him.
Didn't do it.
And he's like, your car's so dirty.
So good.
If I were a baby bunny, if I were a baby bunny rabbit, my tail would be fluffy. Fluffy! My nose would be wrinkly. Wrinkly! My ears would be velvety. Velvety! My paws will be rough. Oh, you like this one. Rough. If I were a bunny rabbit, I would play with my friends in a field full of beautiful tulips. Ayo! Baby on! It is that time. I just wanted to close out this video and thank you guys all so much for tuning in. I had such a crazy week. I really thought I was just going to have a relaxing, boring week because nothing much was happening, but I ended up doing quite a lot, from doing garden work with my mom to showing you guys my chickens and getting in some workouts to even car trouble. Oh my goodness, I'm still so embarrassed. I can't believe I did that. Who you just saw right there, that was just my little cute niece. I get to see her from time to time, so it was a really sweet moment to just read with her. She kind of understands books now, so it was really cute to just read to her and have her really understand that, hey, this is a story. And I love just spending these little moments together with her and my family. I'm gonna end my video here, and I hope you guys all have a great week. Bye!